Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the replacement AirPod Pro is charged. The case LED tells you that immediately. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad has Bluetooth enabled and runs a current iOS so compatibility is smooth. Once done, you place the AirPod in its case, open the lid close to the device, and press the setup button on the back. Hold it until the LED pulses white. This initiates pairing and tells your device to recognize a new accessory. Once the LED pulses white and your device displays the pairing animation, you tap Connect, and the system starts a handshake. If your Apple ID uses iCloud, this pairing will propagate to other devices signed into the same account, so you won't repeat steps on every device. Make sure to accept any firmware or permission prompts. The AirPod may update its firmware automatically, so stay near your device and allow a few minutes for settings to finalize and audio routing to become stable. You finish by verifying audio, mic function, and noise control modes under Settings Bluetooth and the AirPods entry. Play audio and toggle modes to confirm. If one AirPod doesn't connect, reset both units. Place them in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair as before. If problems persist after a reset and updates, contact Apple support. Give them the replacement serial so they can check pairing compatibility and warranty options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.